Week 3 out of 12 pivoting fuel finance public. And today I woke up in Nashville. And today is my birthday. I'm celebrating this day with a customer rolling out our new product. The product I have always wanted to build. Quick recap if you're new here. After 6 years of building fuel finance, we didn't find product market fit. So we are pivoting fuel in the next 3 months and we are making this pivot public. The launch will be on September 29. Every week I'm sharing what is happening with this pivot and how it's going, but since today is my birthday, this video will be different. This one will be about why we are changing everything. So let me tell you a story. This is me 13 years ago. This is freshly graduated newbie with finance degree, very passionate girl who wants to change all the numbers for all the companies, make them profitable, solve very complicated financial cases. So I joined PwC as an auditor, quickly understood this is not the way how I will make the impact I wanna do. So I became financial analyst and later CFO myself, helping one company at a time fix their profitability and cash flow issues. One company was not enough, so I decided to start teaching, workshop, webinars, thousands and thousands of students, many happy entrepreneurs who shared that it actually helped them to increase their profitability or fix their cash flow gaps. So I was the happiest person when I heard these things, and I decided that I want to give the same result for much more companies. I started to build CFO service business. Later, I wanted to give the solution for thousands of companies, so we started to build fuel finance. For the last 6 years, I still had the one question in my head. What will happen if we give the solution of 1,000 CFOs for millions of companies? How can it increase profitability of these companies? How can we impact the world GDP? So this was not possible to build. Technology was not there until previous year. Previous year, we saw AI and we finally understood, okay, it's possible to build. This is the real reason why we're pivoting. Yes, product market fit. But honestly, for the last 6 years, we're building only 10% of the product we wanted to build. And finally, this year, we saw how it's possible to build another 90%. So the problem is still the same. So we still want to help companies be more profitable and unlock trillions of dollars in GDP growth. But now, solution can be 100 times better than just some automation, Excel or Google spreadsheet. So stay tuned, see you all next week, and may the profit be with you.